Hello, welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, home of NexGa Aircraft. I'm William Bird, and today we're here to look at a very nice, very well-equipped 2001 Columbia 300, November 550 Golf Romeo. Now this 300 is fresh out of a annual inspection by a top shop and has a lot of excellent upgrades. Let's take a look. Although the Columbia 300 is a fixed-gear aircraft, it's one of the fastest airplanes in the world. 550 Golf Romeo will go all the way up to 18,000 feet, and it'll go as fast as 191 knots. You can expect to see about 180 to 185 knots in the mid-altitudes, burning about 15 gallons per hour. And if you get high, you can get your fuel burn down to about 9.5 gallons per hour. 550 Golf Romeo is equipped with the new generation Hartzell 3-blade prop that gives you excellent cruise and climb performance. 550 Golf Romeo is equipped with the Continental IO550N 310 horsepower engine rated at 2,000 hours TBO. Now this engine comes from the factory with a tuned induction and tuned exhaust system, and the owner upgraded this power plant with GAMI fuel injectors and a Tannis engine preheater, so you can plug your engine in on those cold days while you're pre-flighting to avoid cold starts. Now this engine has a little over 1,000 hours on the engine since new. As a matter of fact, the airframe has just over 1,000 hours total time since new. As you can see, the condition on the paint of 550 Golf Romeo is in immaculate condition. The paint looks almost brand new. You can really tell that this airplane has been hangared most all of its life. The Columbia 300 has a very spacious baggage compartment. The door is shaped so that you can fit very large objects in with ease. You can fit up to 120 pounds back there, and if you need to haul more, you can actually take out that bar and fold the seats down and use it as an SUV for larger objects. The Columbia 300 is a composite airplane, but Columbia uses a whole lot more carbon fiber throughout its design than comparable composite airplanes. For instance, all your control surfaces are carbon fiber. Your dual fully redundant spars are carbon fiber. Now carbon fiber is about 5 times stronger than steel. Now these spars run wingtip to wingtip, and this is a one-piece wing. Now the spars just alone can withstand the utility category loads of this aircraft. So it's built tough. The Columbia 300 holds up to 98 gallons of usable fuel. That gives you a range of over 1,300 nautical miles. The interior condition of 550 Golf Romeo is in excellent condition. The seats are all buckskin leather. They're in great condition. There's no rips or tears anywhere. They look great. They look pretty much brand new. The leather sidewalls are in great condition, as well as the headliner. There's no sagging, and it's very comfortable back here. It's very spacious. I'm almost 6 feet tall, and I have plenty of headroom. I have plenty of leg room, and it's just very comfortable. One feature of the Columbia 300 that most owners love is the dual side stick controls. Now you're directly linked to your control surfaces with push rod controls. There's no springs, cables, or pulleys. Here it's all push rod controls. You have 4-place electronic trim, as well as your autopilot disconnect button and your mic button right here on your side stick. 550 Golf Romeo is equipped with an excellent panel. Let's take a look. To the left of the instrument panel, we have all our analog engine instruments, as well as our JPI 711 EDM graphic engine monitor, which shows all your CHTs and your EGTs, and it also has lean find to help you in leaning the airplane. Now this will show your temperatures on all 6 cylinders, and this particular engine monitor has also been upgraded to give you manifold pressure, digital RPM, as well as fuel flow. So you basically have a fuel computer as well as all your temperatures on every one of your cylinders in this display. 550 Golf Romeo has been upgraded with the Aspen Evolution EFD 1000 Pro PFD. This is a great glass display that shows all 6 of your standard 6-pack instruments into one integrated digital display. Here to the left we have our airspeed tape. In the center we have our attitude indicator. To the right we have our altitude tape. And right here we have our slaved HSI. Now this you can set for VLOC, VLOC 1 and 2, GPS 1 and 2. You can see that we have a GPS course to Myrtle Beach, and it automatically shows up on your Aspen. You can also use the course selector to change your course if you're following a VOR or airway. This also has an indicated airspeed pre-select that you can use. And in the center you switch between VLOC and GPS mode. To the right we have our heading pre-select, and this is integrated with your STEC 55 autopilot. So you use the heading pre-select for your autopilot. It will also, you can even have minimums in here. It will tell you when you're down on approach when you hit minimums. You can switch your map between ARC and 360 view. You turn your map on and off. And here's where you select GPSS steering. This is equipped with GPSS steering, so your autopilot will actually follow your flight plan that you've loaded in your GPS. Here at the top of our panel we have our Davtron clock. To the right of that we have our autopilot altitude pre-select. Here you can set your altitude pre-select for your autopilot, as well as your vertical speed pre-select. To the right we have our annunciator panel, and here we have, in addition to our Aspen Evolution EFD 1000 Pro, we have our regular instruments. Here we have our airspeed indicator, which will show you true airspeed, our electric turn coordinator, altimeter, VSI, and standby attitude indicator. This is the only instrument that uses a vacuum pump. Matter of fact, this airplane has dual fully redundant vacuum pumps, and it's solely for this instrument. Everything else is electrical, and the Aspen unit has its own internal backup battery in the case that you lose electrical power. And here we have our VOR number 2. 550 Golf Romeo has been upgraded to the Garmin new style MX-20s. Now these MX-20 multifunction displays are great. They integrate all the information that's equipped in this aircraft into these MX-20s. You have a moving map, you have a IFR map, and a VFR map. Also can split the screens. Here we have traffic on the left and our IFR map on the right. You can display just traffic. This is equipped with Ryan 9900BX 24 nautical mile active traffic. Here's your flight plan page. As you see, we have a trip here to Myrtle Beach. It shows you information on your flight plan. A terrain page. See, it's all red because we're on the ground. Your storm scope here is displayed here on your MX-20. And the second MX-20 has some neat features. Right now we're on the weather page. This is equipped with XM weather. As you can see, this is also equipped with charts on your second MX-20. So here we have charts. You can display charts, and they're also geo referenced here on the chart. Your position will show on this chart. So there's a lot of great information in these MX-20s. 550 Golf Romeo is equipped with an excellent autopilot. It's equipped with the STEC 55 autopilot, and it's also been upgraded with GPSS steering. So this will follow your GPS flight plan. This autopilot will shoot a fully coupled ILS approach down to minimums, and it's upgraded to WAS, so it'll even shoot a fully coupled WAS approach down to minimums. Below our autopilot, here we have our PMA 8000 audio panel. Now this was another upgrade. Below we have our Garmin 430W WAS Navcom GPS. Now this airplane did not come with Garmin 430s originally. This was another upgrade that the owner upgraded to, dual WAS 430Ws. Here's your second Garmin 430W WAS Navcom GPS, and below another upgrade, the owner upgraded to a Garmin GTX 327 digital transponder. If you want the best equipped Columbia 300 you can find on the market, you need to come visit us here in Greensboro, North Carolina at NexGa Aircraft and take a look at this airplane. November 550 Golf Romeo has been upgraded with the Aspen EFD 1000 Pro PFD. It has dual Garmin new style MX20s that display your storm scope, weather, traffic, and a lot of other great information. Has been upgraded with dual WAS Garmin 430W Navcom GPSs. It's had excellent maintenance, no damage history, and it's in very great condition. Come visit us here in Greensboro, North Carolina at NexGa Aircraft, or give us a call at 336-665-0300, or visit our website at www.nexga.com. That's NEXGA.com, and take a look at this beautiful next generation aircraft and all of our other next generation aircraft. Have a great day.